Hello friends, this video on acids, bases and salts part 8 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So now we are going to talk about the next indicator, which is not a naturally occurring indicator, but it is a chemical compound called phenolphthalin. But this also acts as an indicator. So phenolphthalin, this is how the structure of phenolphthalin looks like. So if you actually look at the structure, you will see that there are 20 carbon atoms, 14 hydrogen atoms and 4 oxygen atoms. So 4 oxygen you can very easily see, and wherever you have the corners you have 1 carbon. So 4, 5, 6. So 6 carbon here, 6 carbon here, 6 carbon here. So already 18 carbons here. So you have 1 more here and 1 more here. So total 20 carbons. And you have 14 hydrogens connected to these carbons. So that's the chemical formula of phenolphthalin. So it is a chemical compound which is colorless and it is highly soluble in water, and that's how you can prepare the phenolphthalin solution, and then that solution can act as an indicator. It is also called as pH because of its such a big name. So sometimes it is quite difficult to use such a big name. So that is why a short form has been introduced, that is called pH, that is phenolphthalin. So basically pH is taken from here and taken another pH from here. So let's see how do we prepare the phenolphthalin indicator. So in that case, we take some phenolphthalin. So phenolphthalin is actually obtained in the form of powder. So that powder form of phenolphthalin, little bit of powder is taken and then it is mixed with ethanol solution. So this is how the phenolphthalin powder looks like. So when I say some amount of phenolphthalin powder, a very little amount, as little as 0.5 grams of phenolphthalin powder should be enough, and then it is mixed with around 50 milliliter of ethanol solution. Now what is ethanol solution? Ethanol solution is nothing but ethanol mixed with water. So it will have equal amount of ethanol and equal amount of water, 50% ethanol and 50% water. That forms the ethanol solution. What is ethanol? Ethanol is an alcohol, that is C2H5OH. So this is how the structure of ethanol looks like. So you take ethanol solution and then you add 0.5 grams of phenolphthalein powder to this solution. So as a result, what you get a solution, because I said phenolphthalein powder is highly soluble in water, so it mixes up very nicely with this solution, and as a result we get the phenolphthalein solution, which acts as the phenolphthalin indicator. So now the question is, how do we perform the test? How do the solution reacts when it encounters an acid or a base? So this turns the acidic solution colorless. It is colorless in acidic solution, but it turns pink in basic solutions. So you see again, the difference in color only will tell which one is an acid and which one is a base. So the extent of change in color of phenolphthalin helps us to decide the acidity of a substance. So these were some of the indicators which are used to decide which substance is acidic and which one is basic. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.